Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Passat SEL Premium. This has a gray exterior and a black interior. Sunroof. Volkswagen TSI SEL badging inside the trunk. Rear seats. Driver door controls. Memory seats and driver seat controls. Driver seat. Mileage on this vehicle is 102,583. Steering wheel controls. Push button ignition. Radio. Navigation. And a backup camera. Shifter here and the center console. If you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.